Where are you from?
I am from Charlotte, North Carolina, U.S. How about you?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, I have been trying to figure out a friend since morning. It's 8:12 p.m. nighttime. Very sadly, I didn't get any guest yesterday, but it's big gratification that I got you.
Okay, that's good. Well, yeah, it's actually 9 here in the morning, so
Yeah, I
I'm
know.
like opposite time.
All right. I know the time difference between Bangladesh and old time. It's reason every single community's people I already have had in conversation.
Okay.
By the way, I was just watching you that maybe you were writing something on your notepad.
Yeah.
Okay, what did you
I
write?
keep a diary.
Oh,
I
beautiful.
just write out my day and stuff like that, all that stuff. So
What did you write?
this next one. Okay. I started writing at like 4 a.m. because I woke up and I couldn't get back to sleep. But I said, first I want to say happy birthday to Peter, which is a friend of mine who was murdered. It's his birthday today. And then I said, then I have an update on how I'm doing. I fell asleep at like 7 p.m. and now I'm awake at 4 a.m. I'm pissed. I'm finally coming down from my pink cloud. But I'm glad I was good when Paige was here. My friend Paige came and visited, so that was good. I said I didn't want to be crazy. I said now it's 9 a.m. Dawn brought me 5 Zeds, so that's good. I can't get my gun until after 1 p.m. Don's son is in town for the holidays, so he has to wait for him to leave before we can chill. And that's all I wrote as of right now.
Oh, I think you try to write down something what you gonna do in a day. So when you wake up from the bed, you just write down, isn't it?
Well, more just like I write like how I'm feeling, how I'm doing, But it's like for scheduling, and it's actually really cool. It's a calendar.
Wow.
I don't know how well you can see it, but yeah, it's got Monday through Sunday on there, and you could just write like little things that you want to accomplish that day in there and stuff. So yeah, I do that too. Sometimes when I'm like good, when I'm organized. I'm not necessarily organized right now, so.
Oh, that's really well organized. That what you are doing, amazing. Really, so appreciate for you.
Oh, well, that's great.
Yeah.
So do you believe in Islam, right?
Yeah, I do.
I go to a Christian church, but I don't know if I would call myself a Christian. I believe in God, and I believe in like the power of God and the good of God, but I don't know if I necessarily believe.
I do also believe in religion. Okay, the power of God. It certainly that's true. Okay, it's a fundamental fact that nobody can deny this. Okay.
Yeah, so I don't think that religion is bad or anything. I just think like the culture.
I wanted to talk about like other things. It would be quite embarrassing you, but I'm sorry, but you can refuse it. Okay. The world is getting messed up with so many chaos. So the one of them is Palestine and Israel war. Okay. So what do you think about this kind of chaos?
I haven't looked into it enough to really have an opinion. But from what I've understood, now I don't know if this is true, these are things that I've heard, is that, it was originally Palestine, and then they took over and made it Israel. So, I don't know. That's not right to steal land, and of course it's the Holy Land, so everybody wants to be there, right? So, Yeah, that's really all I really understand about it so far. I mean, I know a lot of right-wing people are for Israel and all that stuff, but I just think it's bad in general because war is horrible. So
yeah, being any religion person, it doesn't matter. Just conception, what you see in the world, what is really happening in the world. So everyone should think from their own intuition, okay? Not getting influenced, not getting affected.
Influenced by other.
Yeah, that I mean. Thank you. Anyway, so I'm being really so much inspired yesterday for you. So what can I say to you? You're spending so much time with me.
So thank you. I don't know if it's going to close out, but if it does, it was great talking to you.
Okay. Sure. My another entity is I'm a YouTuber.
Ooh, we like that.
Yeah.
Written on my hand.
Oh my gosh, you noted down my name on your hand. How blessing. How blessing. Your name is, hold on, I'm gonna write down your name on my hand. Look at that.
Here we go.
Here we go. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, you are really so. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. So how do I do this? Oh, Mimi, baby.
That's right.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Well, it's nice chatting with you. Hope you have a good night.
Okay, nice chef. Thank you. Cheers for now. Bye.
Bye.